Welcome back to Adventure Zach. We are out here, guys. AOAA, let's see how it is. Let's see how it is. It's actually really cold here. It says it's about 10 degrees. That was actually ice, if you guys saw. That is all actually ice, see? Show you it's cold enough to have ice here. So, it's a nice rocky climb there. You want to lead? You want me to lead?
It don't matter. I'm just basically going to do something simple like this to get warmed up.
Yeah. How you like that rocky hill climb? That was pretty rocky. Yeah.
It looks like it. I'm not going to hit it first thing in the morning, that's for sure.
Nah, definitely not. This is why I wanted that skid plate. I didn't have a skid plate on this originally. Let him get right on through that. Gotta lug up this in a second. Try to pick a good line here. Try to pick a good line. That was a pretty decent little line. I'm running pretty high tire pressure too, guys. I think I'm running 19 in the front, 22 in the rear. So definitely not running ideal for, but I tell you what, I raised my suspension back up, stiffened up my rear. It's already feeling much better. Already feeling much better. Go up these rocks. Why not? Yeah, buddy. Oh, I love these heated grips. Yeah, I don't want to go speeding through there. See them rocks? They come up. They definitely come up. Yeah. That was nice. That was a little fun. A little wake up. Shooting that stick up. Oh, this is like sand here. Yeah. I'll tell you what, man, that's some fun sections, them rocks, man.
Yeah.
It's good learning on picking your line.
Yep, it's pretty rocky. Like, you can go from this thing back where we came from.
Let me get out of this, guys. We'll bust a U-turn here. Yeah, that looks like a nice rocky hill climb there. Like something out of freaking... There we go. Yeah. Yes, that was on purpose. One thing I didn't do, guys, that I told myself to do was wrap my levers with I'll let him get a little ways, was to wrap my levers with hockey tape. It's a really good thing to do. We're just gonna putz through there so we don't get soaked. sticker bushes. The some bitches. At least I think that was the sticker bush. Maybe it was just that stuff. Maybe it was just that. I guess we got off the trail. I guess this is a small little portion of single track, maybe. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this just leads us back out to wow, look at that, guys. We are pretty high up. I guess hey, I'll go up that.
I don't know why they got the trailhead numbers up, because I don't see any trail. It's just dead ends like that one.
I don't know if that...
Not going down that. That's a damn sure.
Hey, we're just going to go full speed and launch it, dude. Trying to get away from the massive rocks. Whoa! Woo! We'll go over. Cannot see out of my goggles. It is fairly rocky up here. $15B, no UTVs. I didn't see anything else. I don't know if that's for this trail. 15B. Is this UTVs or ATVs only?
I don't know.
That sign just shows ATV. It just says no UTVs.
That bike can usually go anywhere.
Gotcha. So I just wanted to make sure. I mean, I don't think anybody's going to say anything, but it just said no UTVs. But I think we're good. Should be. Ooh, that's a gnarly. There's a gnarly little incline there. Look at this. Oh, I stalled my bike. I stalled. We're just gonna go through nice and slow, guys, where we don't get ourselves soaked. I like how these puddles, they must intentionally maintain these really well so they don't get rutted up really bad, you know? They must, because they're nice and shallow. They're not deep. Not deep at all. This, though, where the UTVs come through after the fact, where it can get slick when you're real quick. A lot of UTVs here today. A lot. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think some of these UTVs even have heat in them. But I don't know much about them. Some of the newer ones. Could be totally wrong. That was pretty gnarly, some of them rocks there. Cut. Cut. Getting a little technical here. That was nice. Look at that. That's why you want to be careful. Trailhead is that way. It's going towards the trailhead. Spit this gum out, man. I should have went that way. U-joint tree. Hey, no motorcycles there. I feel like we're on the wrong, we took the wrong trail off the main head.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because I haven't seen a single dirt bike.
Yeah, these are all shit we ain't going up.
Yeah, that actually says no motorcycles right on it. Trailhead. What does this say? 3ABC, yeah. Man, we ended up on the Jeep trails. Yeah. Coming up on your left. In the direction. What do you think? I don't know.